Now we are going to solve the problem number 9 in chapter 7. This is based on the defect of the eye. Look at that. Here one defective eye is drawn. Here the near point in the case of the defective eye is 50 centimeter. The meaning is, if any object closer to the eye lens, if it is kept at a distance of 50 centimeter from the eye lens, he is able to read or he is able to see the object clearly. That's why this distance is called near point. If the object is brought closer, he is not able to see. If it is exactly kept at 50th centimeter, he is able to see the object clearly. That's why this is called near point, and the distance is taken as v is equal to minus 50 centimeter. But always he is not able to keep the object at 50th centimeter to read the textbook or to observe the object. So what we have to do, this object to be brought closer to the eye lens. For that, what he has to do? He has to wear a lens. We don't know whether it is a convex lens or concave lens. We have to find out whether it is a convex or concave as a correcting lens. After wearing the lens, the object is clear that appear to come from the distance of 25 centimeter. The meaning is, if he is keeping the object exactly at 25th centimeter, he is able to read the book or he is able to see the object. So after wearing the correcting lens, he can bring the object exactly at 25th centimeter. Then he is able to see the object very clearly. So now this distance, after bringing the object from here to there, this distance should be taken as u. This distance is taken as u, the value of u is 25 centimeter. Both v and u, both are measured in this direction from the optic center, therefore both of them must be taken in terms of negative. You are asked to calculate the focal length of the correcting lens, and then later you have to calculate the power of the correcting lens. First you calculate the focal length, later you calculate the power. So for that we have to use the lens equation. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u is the lens equation. Here write 1 by f as it is, substitute the value of v. How much? Minus 50 minus of 1 by, instead of u substitute minus 25. All are written in terms of centimeter. The final answer f also you will get in terms of centimeter. After that what happens? 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by 50. This one becomes plus 1 by 25. After taking LCM, you will get 50 in the denominator. This one becomes minus 1, this one becomes plus 2. Therefore 1 by 50 you will get. Compare the denominators. So what is the value of f? The f value is 50 centimeter. The focal length of the correcting lens is how much? 50 centimeter. Here, how will you calculate the power? Power is equal to, since it is in centimeter, to calculate the power we can use the formula 100 by f. 100 divided by 50 centimeter is equal to plus 2 diopter. So that plus symbol that shows that the nature of the correcting lens is convex lens. Are you clear? So to correct the defect, basically he has to wear the convex lens. After wearing the convex lens of power plus 2 diopter, he did not keep the object at 50th centimeter. Instead of that, he is able to bring the object from 50th centimeter to 25th centimeter. Automatically the vision will be clear and he is able to see the object very clearly. So the power of the correcting lens is how much? Plus 2 diopter. Okay, make a note. Now we are going to see the second part of the problem. Look at here. Again we are going to deal about the defective eye. The same person, he is having the defective eye. In this defective eye, according to this defective eye, the far point is 500 centimeter. What is the meaning of far point? Here the tree is here at a distance of 500 centimeter. He is able to see the tree very clearly. If anything is kept beyond 500 also, he is able to see. If the tree, if it is within this 500 centimeter, he is not able to see the tree clearly. Are you clear? So this is the distance, this is the maximum distance, minimum distance at which the long distance object is kept. Now that object is seen very clearly. That distance between the eye lens and the nearest object, far object, is called as, what is this, far point. Are you clear? So he is able to see the tree clearly only at a distance of 500 centimeters. That is called far point. Now, already in the previous discussion and derivation, we have seen that he is wearing the convex lens, whose focal length is how much? 50 centimeter. The focal length of the convex lens must be taken as positive. The question is, after wearing the lens, after wearing this convex lens, what will be the distance between the object which is kept far away from him? Are you clear? What should be the maximum? What should be the maximum distant object that could be seen very clearly after wearing the lens? I will read the last part of the problem. What maximum distance is clearly visible for the person with this lens on the eye? With this lens means they are mentioning about the correcting lens. After wearing the lens, what should be the maximum distance? What should be the maximum distance that can be seen clearly visible for the person with the lens on the eye? So with the correcting lens, we have to find out the maximum distance at which the object is seen clearly. So this distance must be taken as u. This distance u must be found out. That u value also should be taken as negative. F should be taken as positive. That far point must be taken as 500. That also should be taken in terms of negative. So our aim is to find out the maximum distance at which the object is seen clearly after wearing the correcting lens. So lens equation is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u is written. Our aim is to get u, therefore interchange the formula. So 1 by u, that should be taken in terms of negative. So substitute the value of v, minus 500 minus of 1 by f should be taken as positive since it is convex. 50 is substituted. So after that, this one becomes 1 by 500 minus 1 by 50, 1 by minus 1 by u is there. So take LCM. So 500 minus 1, this one becomes minus 10. Are you clear? Now what will happen? This one becomes minus 11 divided by 500. On either side, who is there? Negative sign is there. Cancel both. So 1 by u is equal to 11 divided by 500. How will you get u? U is equal to 500 divided by 11. 500 divided by 11 you can substitute. So the answer will be 45.45 centimeter. The meaning is, even if the tree is at a distance of 45.45 centimeter, he is able to see the tree clearly. If the tree is brought here, if any other object is brought here at a distance of 45.45 centimeter with the correcting lens, with the help of the correcting lens, he is able to see the object clearly. That is the meaning of the answer. Okay.